Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug on my 318i. Because I was struggling to get the spark plug out with the normal plug removal tool. This is a hex tool with this slim wall, so you must have this tool to get this spark plug out, and I'll show you how to do it. To access this spark plug, we need to take this cover off. So to take this cover off, we need to remove the whole covers up here and this one over that side. I'll start removing this first, just to pull this one out. This, you see, the clips are, so you have to be very careful when you taking them off. They are plastic, they tend to snap. So there's 8mm bolts are here. That's the 8mm. Be careful when you're taking them off not to drop. So if you drop them inside the covers, it will be hard to get them out. I'll go to the other side. Basically, this is where the pollen filter are. So you can lift this up and pull it just like that. This is where the pollen filter. Once that taken out, there's two covers here. There's a little clip over there, then you need to lift up. Before that, you need to take the sensors out. Sensor out. Make sure you're not closing the bonnet while the sensor is hanging there. out. Now there will be two more screws, one in here and one in the other side. So I'll take this one out. And also 8mm, but it comes with the washer, so don't mix up with the other screws. Right. Make sure you just take this little clip out. Same the other side, like that. And now you'll be able to take this whole part out. No, before that you need to take this one, just pull it out. Like that. That's out. Now you'll be able to lift this up. Just like that. There you are. Whole thing is out. Now we need to get this engine cover off. There will be 3 T screws over here, there and at the back. T30. Right, now I took the 3 screws out. You'll have to take the oil cap out, and once you've done that, you can basically lift this up. What I will do is I will close the oil cap again to protect if I drop anything inside. Now you can just pull it out. This goes. In this engine there's 4 plugs. These are all the coil packs, so it's easy to remove. Just to remove the coil pack, just pull this clip up like that, and then connector will come out. Keep out the way and wiggle the coil pack sideways while you pull in, and then it will come out. That's the coil pack out. As you can see, there's a spark plug inside. So we'll try and use the tool to get this plug out. Right, to take this plug out, I got the wrench 14mm socket, the thin wall, and the extension bar. So it's coming out nicely. There you are. Thin plug hasn't been changed for a while. Look at the plug, it's how worn out. And I'll show you the new plug. That's different. Right, let's go ahead and install the replacement. Yeah, to install the plug, it's easy. Make sure you don't tighten it too much. When you feel to your hand it's tight enough, that's about it. So you do the same with this one and that one. So job done. Thanks for watching.